Hello friends, in today's video we are going to create a scary story faceless channel on YouTube from scratch, only using AI and free tools. But before moving forward, I wanted to show you that this is a big niche for a faceless YouTube channel. As you can see, there are many scary videos on YouTube and they are getting millions of views on their videos. So without further delay, let's get right into it. For making a scary story faceless channel, we need a name. For that, we will go to ChatGPT for brilliant ideas. I will ask ChatGPT about a good name for our scary story channel by giving this prompt. You are a new YouTuber and want to create a channel in a scary story niche? Suggest 10 fancy and catchy scary name ideas for a YouTube channel name. So here you go. ChatGPT gave us 10 different and interesting name ideas. You can choose your channel name from these given names, or otherwise, if you don't like any of this, then guys, this is not the end of the world. You can always ask ChatGPT to suggest you more ideas. That's why I wrote, give me 5 more ideas. I like this one, which is Shadowy Saga. Now it's time to create a new scary story YouTube channel. In this video, I'm not going to create a YouTube channel with a brand new Gmail ID. Instead, I'm going to add a new channel in our previous account that we created in a video related to faceless channel and health niche. If you want to watch that video, you can click on the I button or you can check the description. So let's move forward. Click on Setting. Click on Create a new channel. Write the name of the channel, which is Shadowy Saga. Check the checkbox. And then click on Create. Our channel has been created now. To open our channel, we will go to this icon on the right top corner of the YouTube homepage and click on Switch Account. Now select the channel that we created. Click on your channel to see the channel we have created. Now we will put some channel art on our channel. For that, we will go to the Customize Channel option. Here, as you can see, we have to upload our channel profile picture and channel banner. For that, we will go to a free website called Canva and search for a YouTube profile template. You can select any template that you want to edit. I like this black and gold one. Let's customize this template. Press Ctrl+D to delete the default picture. You can select scary pictures directly from the Canva by going to the Elements option and then selecting the Photo option. If you don't have Canva Pro account, then you can visit pixels.com to find a good scary profile picture. I like this creepy pumpkin one. So I will download this and then upload this on Canva. Download the template. Now we will upload this profile picture by clicking on the Upload button over here. Now adjust it and then upload it. It's time for a YouTube banner. We will go to Canva again and search for a YouTube banner. You can select whatever template you like. I like this one, and we will customize this template. I will edit the text according to my niche with some sort of fancy phrase. And I want to change this green color to red, so it can look more scary. I will click the green color and select the red color like this. I don't like this mask icon because it looks more like a gaming icon, so I will delete this. Then adjust the text. Delete extra text. Download this design. We will upload it by clicking on the Upload button. Adjust the size and then click on Upload. This is what our scary channel looks like. From this point, if you are getting any value, then do subscribe. It will help me to keep making content for you guys. And watch the video till the end to see how our scary video will turn out. Now it is time to create a scary story video for our channel. Let's head to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Now give me 10 interesting and suspenseful scary story ideas. It will give you different ideas from which you can select. I like this abandoned hospital idea. It is sort of creepy and realistic. Now I will copy this idea and paste it into the prompt area and then write the prompt. Please refine this idea and make a whole story from this with suspense and creativity. As you know, ChatGPT already knows the context, so we don't need to write a long prompt. Here you go, a complete story script for the Scary Faceless channel. To edit our video and then generate a monetizable voiceover, we will use a tool called Clipchamp. It is an excellent tool because it provides many features for free. Go to Clipchamp, click Try for free. Click on Create New Video. Then select Record and Create. Click on the Text-to-Speech option. Copy the first paragraph from the script. Listen to the preview.
Place of horrors. It's now a magnet for...
You can change the voice style. For example, I am changing it from general to whispering. And now listen to the whispering voice style.
Rumors of unethical medical experiments that took place within these walls have swirled for decades.
You can also select the pitch of your voice. You have multiple options in this. And you can select the voices from different available options, and they all are human-like voices, so it can be monetized. So I am selecting this Jenny one and saving it. Now it is time to get scary footage. So the best free stock footage website you can use is pixels.com. I'm just writing scary hospital keywords to find related footage. I like this footage, so I will download it. If you don't want to do all the work by yourself, and you have more money than time, you can always hire a professional for the YouTube automation business. I have given the link below in the description. Now we will edit the video. As you can see, we have a timeline over here. So first, we will drag the audio that we have generated previously in the timeline so we can edit accordingly. Import footage that we have downloaded from the pixels.com and drag it into the timeline. Now we need scary background music for our video. For that, you can choose from the Content Library option. Then select Music. Write Scary in the search bar. Select whatever track you like. I'm dragging a scary guitar track to our timeline. You can explore the options in this editor. For now, I am downloading this video clip to show you how it turned out. To download, go to the Export option, select Video Quality, and then download it. Don't forget to subscribe for more good content. This is how it turned out.
In a small, forgotten town, nestled deep in the woods, lies the decaying remnants of Mercy Hill Asylum. Once a place of horrors, it's now a magnet for urban explorers seeking a thrill. Rumors